Did you know that eating blueberries with certain foods can actually hurt your vision? It sounds surprising, but it's true. Blueberries are great for your eyes because they have lots of antioxidants and vitamins. But if you mix them with the wrong foods, they can do more harm than good. In this video, we'll show you which foods to avoid and which ones are best to eat with blueberries. We'll explain the science behind it and give you tips to keep your eyes healthy and your vision clear. Here are 3 best blueberry combinations for vision repair. 1. Blueberries and dark leafy greens. Combining blueberries with dark leafy greens like spinach or kale creates a powerhouse meal for your eyes. These greens are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, essential nutrients that support eye health. These greens have special nutrients called lutein and zeaxanthin that help protect your eyes. When you eat them with blueberries, it boosts the benefits, helping to keep your eyes healthy and strong. The antioxidants in blueberries and greens work better together to protect your eyes. This combo helps prevent damage to your eyes from things like aging. Eating these foods regularly can help stop eye diseases like macular degeneration and cataracts. Eating blueberries with dark leafy greens is a simple and tasty way to keep your eyes healthy. 2. Blueberries and seeds. Chia, flaxseed, hemp seeds. Put blueberries in your smoothies or yogurt and add chia, flaxseed, or hemp seeds. These seeds have omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your eyes. They help with dry eyes and protect against vision problems as you age. The seeds and blueberries together give you more anti-inflammatory and antioxidant power. This combo helps keep your eyes hydrated and protected. Adding blueberries and seeds to your smoothie or yogurt is an easy and yummy way to keep your eyes in good shape. 3. Blueberries and nuts. Almonds, walnuts. Mix blueberries with almonds or walnuts for a healthy snack. Almonds and walnuts have omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, which help protect your eyes. Combined with the antioxidants in blueberries, they keep your vision sharp and clear. Together, nuts and blueberries form a strong shield for your eyes. This combo helps keep your vision clear and sharp. Eating blueberries with almonds or walnuts is a simple and delicious way to support your eye health. Now here are 3 worst blueberry combinations. 1. Blueberries and sugary foods, beverages. Avoid pairing blueberries with sugary foods or drinks. Eating blueberries with sugary stuff can cancel out their good effects. Too much sugar can lead to eye problems like diabetic retinopathy and cause inflammation. Sugar stops blueberries from helping your eyes because it cancels out their good stuff. Having blueberries with sugary things can make eye problems more likely, like diabetic retinopathy and inflammation. Stick to pairing blueberries with healthier foods to keep your eyes happy and avoid these risks. 2. Blueberries and highly processed foods. It's best to avoid combining blueberries with highly processed foods that contain trans fats and unhealthy fats. Eating blueberries with processed snacks can hurt your eyes. These foods can mess up the blood vessels that keep your eyes healthy. Unhealthy fats and processed foods cancel out the good stuff in blueberries, making them less helpful for your eyes. Pairing blueberries with processed foods can mess up blood flow to your eyes, which can make your vision worse over time. Stick to healthier foods to keep your eyes in top shape and avoid these problems. 3. Blueberries and excessive caffeine. Don't drink too much caffeine when you eat blueberries. Too much caffeine can make you dehydrated, which isn't good for your eyes. It can lead to dry eyes and discomfort, which takes away from the benefits of eating blueberries. Drinking too much caffeine stops blueberries from keeping your eyes hydrated. Too much caffeine can make your eyes dry and uncomfortable, which isn't good for your eye health. Stick to moderate caffeine intake to keep your eyes happy and get the most out of your blueberries. Choosing the right foods to eat with blueberries can make a big difference for your eyes. The best combos include pairing blueberries with dark leafy greens, seeds like chia or flaxseed, and nuts such as almonds or walnuts. These combos give your eyes lots of good stuff to stay healthy. But be careful not to pair blueberries with sugary snacks, processed foods, or too much caffeine. These combos can cancel out the benefits of blueberries and even make your eye health worse. So make smart choices to keep your eyes happy and your vision clear for a long time. What's your favorite blueberry recipe? Or, have you noticed any benefits from eating blueberries regularly? Share your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot.